Deadline is quickly approaching for two groups looking to get issues on the November ballot in Arkansas. 4029's Jacob Murphy is live tonight after speaking with those groups that are actively working to meet the deadline. Jacob.
Yeah, Chip, one of those groups is trying to change the state's Freedom of Information Act, and the other is trying to put the state's abortion law onto the ballot so that Arkansans can vote whether or not it's legal throughout the state. Both groups will need thousands of signatures before July 5th in order to get their measures onto the ballot in November.
We're looking at it one step at a time, one day at a time.
Groups across the state are making their final pushes.
It's like a snowball rolling downhill.
To get their issues on the ballot in November. The only way to do that, collect the minimum number of signatures.
90,000 signatures is a lot to get done in just a couple months.
Arkansans for Limited Government is looking to put the state's abortion laws onto the ballot, a major topic as we get closer to November.
I think that is a motivator. People feel really strongly on both sides.
The amendment would allow unlimited access to abortion services within 18 weeks of fertilization. It would also allow for abortion in cases of rape, incest, or fatal fetal anomaly, or to protect the life or well-being of the mother. Any future federal law to protect or restrict abortion would replace the Arkansas Abortion Amendment. The group will need just over 90,000 signatures from registered voters.
We have a lot of momentum. We have 700 plus trained volunteers on the ground who are working across the state to make sure that all Arkansans can make their voices heard.
Another group making a late push, Arkansas Citizens for Transparency.
We've been doing it up until this point with volunteers. You know, the Press Association, the Broadcast Association have been really interested in this.
Looking to add an amendment and an act that give the public more access to government records by making changes to the state's Freedom of Information Act, along with adding it to the Constitution.
We have just in the last couple of days hired some paid canvassers to help fill in the spots and stuff like that.
Over 72,000 signatures for the amendment and over 90,000 for the act.
I think that we'll get them all on the ballot.
All of those signatures must come from registered Arkansas voters and be from 50 counties throughout the state. Not more than 50, just 50 counties throughout the state. Live in Rogers, Jacob Murphy, 4029 News.